Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I just want to say thank you for a great year. The channel reached 17,000 subscribers. That is amazing, and I'm so grateful and so humbled that so many of you are interested in what I do. To those of you who are new here, a big welcome. I hope you will enjoy it. This year has been a great one. We had a few very nice meetings at our local RC tank track. It's always great fun to drive around in the woods and negotiating the terrain with the models. This year we also had some wind and rain protection. We also saw a guest build from Martin over at Hagberg's Corner. He bought 3D files from Kults 3D of a Jagged Panther in 1:10 scale. He printed it, he built it, and he got it running. It's a great build, and if you want to see how it was done, check out the How to Build video. There's also links to Kults 3D in the description. Just gonna wait for this tractor to... We also visited Aeroseum and the hobby exhibition there. This is an Air Force museum, and it's quite fun to drive RC tanks next to the airplane exhibitions. A lot of visitors and a great time. Then we participated at Hjulet's Dag, Wheels Day. As always, hot and sunny, and a lot of cool cars and awesome vehicles. We also went to Hässleholm's Military Museum. This is sort of our go-to museum. We are always very welcomed, and it's such a cool place. I also took the opportunity to check out one of their Centurions, just to make some details correct on my 105. We also went to Borås Miniature Steam Train Society, where we drove our tanks next to the amazing model trains they have there. Most of them are in 1:8 scale, and they are large enough to ride on. We then took a trip abroad, across the bridge to Denmark and Panzer Museum East. This weekend was such a blast. We drove a lot of RC tanks and had great fun speaking to like-minded people and watching the reenactments and the live vehicle demonstration. I also got to talk to the crew of a Centurion. Turned out that Centurion was one of few left in the world that still has an active gun. I also got the opportunity to show my newly painted Stridsvagn 105, and we'll get back to that. At Panzerdagen, the Armour day, at my old regiment, P4, we also had a terrific day with a lot of visitors and a lot of driving the RC tanks. The crowd was huge, and it was sometimes hard to see where your models went because of all the people. Here is a shot of the Swedish Leopard 2. That would be a nice model to make. But is it hipster enough? We'll see. So speaking of the 105, I'm currently editing the How to Build video for that model. I know some of you have waited for that. The plan was to have it finished before Christmas, but Santa came early this year and brought us a baby boy. I am probably the world's proudest dad right now, and also a bit tired. But everything went good, and here we are. I will do my best to finish the edit of the How to Make video for the 105, I promise. The model is almost finished. There are some details left, but I consider it good enough to make a video of how I made it. In the future, it will be upgraded with sound and smoke, and perhaps a little something as an icing on the cake. I would also like to say thank you to all the Instagram followers. The amount has gone through the roof lately. And to anyone who found this channel through the Instagram account, a very warm welcome to you as well. It's a great and growing community, and I really appreciate all your comments and likes. If you want to see more regular updates on my build projects, have a look at the Instagram account. Link in the description. Currently, there's a lot of snow outside, so it's going to be a white Christmas this year. I can't wait to see what next year has in store for us, but I think and hope that it will be good. I wish you all a Merry Christmas, take care, and I'll see you next time.